Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply block calls on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you have to do is simply access your particular Facebook account. Once you are tapped on your app, you're gonna simply make sure you're signed in with the correct account as well. Now right over here, simply go ahead, tap on this message icon on top right, and there you will be able to find all of the messages. Now let's go ahead, find a user whom you would like to block, right? So let's go ahead, this is the user. We're gonna go ahead, tap on that user, tap on the profile, and we're gonna scroll down, tap on this option of block, and now we're gonna choose this option of block on Facebook and block messages and calls, and then we are done. We're gonna tap on it, tap on block on Facebook. We are both way, we're gonna block them, and now we're gonna go back, and that's way you will be able to block that user from your Facebook like that, and they won't be able to call you or text you, cannot interact anyway. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.